How you doing on the lift, Kev?
Fuck you.
You're not gonna fall.
What happens if it comes to a sudden stop and it rocks us forward?
You're gonna be. We have to open it to
don't
get
open
off
it.
the lift.
Just wait.
Kevin,
Wait.
ready?
Uh,
What happened?
get it?
My thighs are killing me.
Look like it.
And smell like it. What happened? Thighs are gonna be burning after this one. What do you guys think? First day snowboard?
I vote for going down blue all day long.
I don't think my thighs agree with that.
Captain, sport. Hey, over here.
All right, let's go, guys.